gukinia birango bya bochenu nige wizara ya bochenu kubwaterana na nyagitari ya Medford yamukire gitambukiro gyokorea ntobokoreri bukubwato ko bubwenia bwa Bosa imeye county ya Kisii ukwana nensoko TV nigo egati yabakuriye obubweni obubagokeire gitambukiro kyo akuboria abantu gwesokia asobonge eryo konyora obokoreri obwo oigo nigo abakenya baburigo kwerikia INSE yomoroberio omoya bukubwato ko bokonyi bubwene kurwa serikali osha ego chikokera obokoreri buno morikito Frida Kerubo naroboti rwa senchira yoboikerana
abarweire abo bari no muchando obwenkoro kurwa asorogongo rwa South Nyanza bono nigo bari nekiba guchengera magaye nyagitari ya Medford gekobwaterana ne wisara yobochenu yariganirie omorobero bukwenana obubwenia bwa Bosa uchiasa barweire abo litko lya ankyo anigago cha magayo botuki gokorekana na kwenekia obulemerwa egati ya barweire abo babire bakogenda orugendo rutambe ilioko enyorera obokoreri.
I did some research on the gaps in this region. Our people used to travel to Eldoret. Monthly we could have to a range of 200,000. Said we must really focus on availing some of the solutions. And we realized that economically our people are not well endowed to meet all the expenses to seek for medical attention. That is why we improvised a way that we offer our community some free services. Like this Friday, we are coming up with cardiologist services.
Omobisa otenenerete obokoreri imenya gitari yo Evans Nyabuti nigo aerera obuya bwokwenana obubwenia gocha ase abamenye ebe county ya Kisii bunenjere yamo yokwirania okoboko gocha ase binyoro nonyana boni gaene kebuna omorobele yo nigo gosira nabo igogokinia uchumi ya Kenya.
By helping our people, we know we are empowering our economy. Even when people are unwell, they are able to do their businesses and they make sure when they require any attention here, they are able to pay for those services. So indirectly, we are supporting our economy.
Boigo abaroira abo bari ase nyagitari yo nigo bagokeire omorobele yo bokwenana obugwenia bwa Bosa ekiagera niga abantu abange batari konyara gwakanira okorengwa kwa moroire ao chingake ekyo boigo nigo kuboligwa kwa ruigo gucha ase abantu kwaine kibuna ngwesoke bari asobonge na korengwa kendabu.
People might get their conditions diagnosed at a later stage, and it's better for us to get our conditions known early for better management, and that's why this is very important for us Kenyans to show up and to get to know the conditions of our body early enough. And it's actually even better because most of these services, if you have to access them in facilities, you have to pay for them.
Egati ya baroira bo nigo bagokera okubwaterana kwe wizara ya bochenu na boigo enyagitari yo na kwene kibuna nigo koro kwingencho ekiagera nigo gokorenta obokoreri ange no mwananchi boigo niga bakenya baborigwa koerikia asomoroberio osha elio kogendera konyora obokoreri ao.
Hospital, Medford Hospital, in collaboration with the government of Kenya, they have done us a very good service whereby you are able to come and have a free consultation. Especially I'm encouraging our elderly people. Wazee wamekuwa na magonjwa mengi, more so issues to do with the heart condition, and here we have free cardiology access, and when they come here they are able to find services. They're able to be guided on how to live a healthy life and how to manage those various conditions. I want to thank Medford Hospital and the government of Kenya, and particularly the Ministry of Health, for such kind of initiatives that they're able to bring services closer to the people where we are right now. And I also want to encourage fellow Kenyans, SHA inafanya kazi. Go out there, be registered and access services, because prevention is better than cure. Don't wait until your condition is worse.
Kerubo Frida, Amaya, Ensoko TV.